Hello, my name is Simon. I am the lead blockchain developer at VAIOT. I was responsible for developing the AI legal assistant, and I invite you to test it.
Hello VAIOTers. So here's a tutorial video on how to generate a zk-SNARK certificate in the AI legal assistant. After you've gone through the initial stages of the assistant and generated your contract, you can then view your contract in the contract reader. Below, you see buy certificate. Now you'll buy certificate. Now this is in testnet. You don't necessarily have to worry about the price there. Now after you choose to create a certificate, you'll have to choose the terms in which you want encoded in the certificate. As with zk-SNARKs, you only have to reveal or only can reveal as much of the information of the contract as you wish, keeping other details private. After that, you'll have to create your contract summary, which you'll have to choose the visual summary of the terms that you've chosen to have in the zk-SNARK. After you've chosen from all three tabs, you must go and click on the refresh summary, and then you'll get a summary of that zk-SNARK certificate, and then approve. Now after this, VAIOTers, you have to wait for your zk-SNARK certificate to be generated on the blockchain, which will take about 20 minutes. Now you will go into a loading screen that is not shown in this video, but will be shown on the official launch of the beta test. Now, as an update, this actually happens to be the exact spot where we've ran into a couple of technical difficulties that have pushed back the actual launch of the beta test itself, which was supposed to be on the 16th of October. Currently is the 17th of October, and we are pushing to get this live as soon as possible. But check out our socials, check out our Telegram. Our gamification and beta test will be starting as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience, VAIOTers.